What's up, everybody? It's me, Aubrey. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my space, a place where I love to share my knowledge and wisdom with love to all of you. Happy Thanksgiving, family. Today is Thursday, November 28th, and it is currently 12:09. I'm about to go kick it with my family. Having a little bit of a later start than I would have liked, but I had a lot to do today, including packing orders. But more importantly, look at my earrings on. Okay, more importantly, I did have a few items that I had to cook. Here they are. I made some homemade chocolate chip cookies, mac and cheese, a rum cake, red velvet cake, can't really see, some vegan meatloaf. Then I also made some tamarind rum punch. So we're about to pack everything up and hit the road.
What's up?
We can't do his
Thanksgiving.
OOTD because his outfit is outside. Y'all, this rum cake is so good. I use chocolate rum, and as soon as you take the top off, you just are hit with so many aromas. It doesn't need any icing or anything on it. So yesterday was Thanksgiving. Everything was cool. The food was good. I told y'all yesterday I ended up making me a vegan meatloaf. And so when I went house to house, I just had my like non-meat sides that people prepared for me with my vegan meatloaf, and everything was good. And of course today, the day after Thanksgiving, I've been in a little bit of an itis. I have just been relaxing, really. Right now, I'm in my office because I actually have some work to do. And I just feel like every time I'm in here, I'm just reminded of like how much work it is to do in this space. Now, I did tell y'all in my previous vlogs that I moved here because I want this floor of my house to be like a safe space for women, which I think given the election is more important now than ever. So I did some initial setting up, got my herbs together, and just like a basic, very basic setup, just so that I can do my herb orders and stuff. But I did have a birth last month. I actually had like 2 situations where I had to help mothers last month, and I realized just how the space really just isn't efficiently set up. I got like breastfeeding stuff in the closet, and I want to have that on display. I want to have a TV down here so that when I do my birth education classes, and of course there is nowhere to sit in the space, so I gotta think about that. But you know, for December, the last month of the year, I'm just trying to lock in, get things done, and just really take my business seriously, which I've been doing before, but like it's just time to drive it home. I am about to take a few moments just to get organized because I have a very busy December, and then I have some content to film because I was selected as an ambassador for the National Black Doula Association. Woo! I have to like record my acceptance video for them. It's like some promotional content, which is going to be my first time kind of like working with a brand. So I could just film something basic for like on my iPhone, but I'm like, let me actually, you know, do what I need to do.
I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing, yeah. Made it through property, on our minority, you never start. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away.
So I just finished doing my calendar organization, and now I'm just doing a little bit of some makeup because like I said, I've been chilling all day and I have to record this video. And y'all, my makeup routine is so simple. Like I really only have a few makeup options, which I did have more, but I lost some of my stuff in the process of moving and I had to start over. And I just feel like there are so many other things that I need to buy, and makeup is definitely not high on the list. A bit of some moisture, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of water and do my edges. Alright, so I'm about to get dressed and about to record this thing.
Look, even though you do not need it, like you literally supported me in the birth of both of my babies.
I am so honored to be a part of the National Black Doula Association Ambassador Program. Oh my God, I cannot believe that it is the end of the year. It feels like this year just kind of like zoomed by. So I'm about to take some of this coconut cold just to give me some, you know, probiotics, because I am going to eat an egg today before I go work out. This is something that has been heavy on my mind for like 2 months. And I've slowly started to incorporate like eggs in my bacon. Not bacon, but bacon. Like when you bake a cake. And yeah, I just want like another option for breakfast when I'm working out. I'm having feelings about my veganism journey, as a lot of folks are. But we'll talk about that another day. But for right now, let's get ready to go to the gym. And excuse my kitchen, it's a mess because my boyfriend got here before me. So I did get some organic, free range, no antibiotics, no hormone eggs. Why was that such an epic fail? And I'm pretty sure I got like a little bit of, yeah, eggshell in there. Which if I bite into an eggshell, it's probably gonna like really turn me off. Alright, so that was a very overwhelming experience for me. I feel like I want to close the sandwich. I don't see the egg, but I don't want to really like psych myself out or just get into any negative like spaces about it. And you know, just shout out to anybody who understands like what I'm going through, because I know if you're on the other side and you haven't been through anything like this, you're probably like, girl, just eat the egg, just eat the egg. But I don't know. I'm eating the egg. I don't know, I really can't swallow it. I just took like a little bite. It tastes like egg. Like, it tastes very, I think I overcooked it or something, but.
It tastes like what? Egg?
Yeah. Oh. Like, vegan eggs don't really taste that much different. Okay, so. I took the egg off. What's up, y'all? So I'm back from the gym. I had a really good workout and I really needed it. But once I got done working out, my scalp was so itchy. So I had to wash my hair. And it's really cold outside, so I put on a face mask. I like this Green Envy. I really like their skincare products, but they are so expensive. I used them a lot when I was going to see an esthetician. And it worked. But y'all, what's been really working for my skin is the Good Molecules products. Have their entire collection. And I am doing my nighttime skincare right now, but me and my Honey are going to watch the game. He loves football. I don't. But we don't have a TV right now. He never really gets to go. I actually don't like watching TV. I don't like watching nothing on the screen. Like, I love YouTube. But actually, like, watching something on the screen, I don't know. It's just never been in alignment with me. And I was supposed to be working today, but it's the 1st of December, which I cannot believe it is December already. And I'm just like, all right, it's time to slow down, take things more easier. I mean, take things more slow. So I'm just gonna work tomorrow. So I washed my hair. I'm not going to do a retwist today, but my scalp feels and looks so much better. Yeah, next April will be 5 years of having locks. I'm not doing a retwist, just going to moisturize my scalp. But did y'all realize this year, like, so many people cut their locks? Which I don't think is a bad thing. You know, I feel like everybody goes through transitions and nobody says that you have to have the same look or be the same person throughout your entire existence. And there's so much beauty in, like, changing. The only thing for me is I do not like to do my hair at all.
Yeah. Shimi don't want to pick the phone up no more.
Why?
Because with his team, he playing. What?
Oh, babe, go get the door for her. She's pregnant.
We've been dancing for so long under the stars. I feel that the grass will